Here's a quick video to show you exactly what you get in this earring making kit. This is a DIY sort of clay earring kit just to see what it is that you get. So let's find out as we open it up. Okay, so the first thing we notice, everything is individually packaged. So that's important just for keeping things safe and keeping things clean. The first thing I notice here are these tools for marking the clay up, for cutting it, for doing different indentations and patterns on it as well, for rolling them. We do have a little roller here for flattening the clay, as well as all these different shapes to be able to use. You can see you even have little tools there for punching holes of different sizes and that sort of thing. Okay, so all of those shapes. We have our tube here. So this is an adhesive glue. So this is going to be for putting pieces together, gluing pieces together, even gluing the backs of the earrings on, which you do also get as well in here. You can see we have a little case that has them all separate, as well as a little set of pliers there for opening up the rings, for connecting pieces and whatnot. And then the clay itself, all these different fun colors, not a huge amount of each color, but you don't need a lot in order to make earrings. It's going to roll out very flat. You don't want really thick earrings, so you only need to use a tiny bit. So this clay is actually going to go a long way. And then it even comes with a little inspiration booklet here to give you some ideas of different types of earrings that you can make, all of the pieces that are in your kit, the steps on how to make them, and just some different styles and designs for some inspiration. So this would be such a great little gift for a little girl or somebody who really likes crafts and that sort of thing, or an older person who is wanting to kind of make their own earrings and kind of experiment with that. So very affordable, a really fun little kit. You're going to get lots of things out of, even maybe start your own little business doing it.